Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy KD, back at it with a brand new video for y'all. Hey, and today, I'm gonna be giving y'all that Young Thug preset, man. I'm trying to load y'all with presets, man, so y'all got a whole lot of different options to choose from. Young Thug is a very complicated artist on how his voice is, so I don't sound just like him. And really, on this song, I wasn't even trying to sound like him. I just realized I kind of did, so I just mixed the vocals and turned it to a Young Thug preset. But the key in this preset is really using your voice to sound like him first, and then throwing the preset on. The song that I'm about to show y'all was recorded on some headphones through the microphone. I can't remember what headphones I used because the song is about 2 or 3 years old. I'm just going through my old files, just finding stuff. But enough wasting time. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the before and after, with and without the preset on, so y'all can see how effective this preset is.
That nigga smoking on headband, sweat like I got on headband. I put that top to your head, man. Disrespect you a dead man. Put you to see like a dead man. I see you pussy, all in the CAT scan. I'm interested in racks, man. Eat shit up like I'm Batman. You could get beat with a Batman. You need to stop all that cap, man. I got a Glock on my lap, man. Like a bitch, call me Batman. Chopper gon' make the boy tap dance. Bitch, little hoe give me lap dance. I ain't need gon' cap, man. I just wanna tell these niggas that I keep it real with my people. You drill check me, I be flying the eagle. Young nigga evil, just like that boy Knievel. Told on your case, you a rat, you a weasel. 93 all in my blunt, that's diesel. I need some more ink, where's the needle? Hold up, skirt, he hot out the beetle. I'm a big dog, but I'm graceful like cheetah. Bitch, yeah, big dog. Nick cross up like cripple. Why do these niggas cross up like smoking on headband? Sweating like I got on headband. I put that top to your head, man. Disrespect you a dead man. Put you to see like a dead man. I can see you pussy, all in the CAT scan. I'm interested in racks, man. Eat shit up like I'm Batman. You could get beat with a Batman. You need to stop all that cap, man. I got a Glock on my lap, man. Fly as a bitch, call me Batman. Chopper gon' make the boy tap dance. Make your little hoe give me lap dance. I ain't need gon' cap, man. I just wanna tell these niggas that I keep it real with my people. You can drill check me, I be flying the eagle. Young nigga evil, just like that boy Knievel. Told on your case, you a rat, you a weasel. 93 all in my blunt, that's diesel. I need some more ink, where's the needle? Hold up, skirt, he hot out the beetle. I'm a big dog, but I'm graceful like cheetah. Bitch, yeah, big dog. Whoa, Nick cross up like.
So as y'all just heard, turning on the preset makes a night and day difference. It sounds a lot more professional, and it sounds a lot better and consistent once the preset's on, and it sounds a lot cleaner. So right now, let me show y'all everything I threw on this preset and how you can get the same sound easily. For the third preset, my favorite artist, we started this preset off with a noise gate. It's just to eliminate some background noise. You can change this up if it's really cutting out some of your voice. Y'all know how I go with the noise gate. But here are the settings I got for the noise gate. Ain't gonna waste too much time with that. The next thing we added on the third preset was a BL driver, just to give a little warmth, a little body, a little grittiness, you know what I'm saying? Make the vocals sit forward. That's all the BL driver really does. Here are the settings I got. We only got 0.1 on the drive. You don't want to go too crazy. So y'all copy these settings down. Yes, sir. Y'all already knew it was coming, man. Next up, we got that graphic EQ to shape the tone of this vocal out. Here are the settings I got. Settings may vary. If you're on the iPhone headphones, 9 times out of 10, you're going to have to take this 200 range and boost it up to about 2 dB. These headphones would just sounded a little thicker than the iPhone headphones, so I cut it out just a little bit. But here are the settings I got. The next thing I threw on this preset, just so the vocals could be nice and crispy, was an exciter. Here's the settings I got. I got the frequency at 7,000 hertz. Here's where I got the mix amount at. You might can skip this plugin or take it off if you download the preset if you have the iPhone headphones, because the headphones are already bright enough, so you don't need to add this. You will be able to tell if you throw this on and your vocals sound harsh, just take this plugin off. After we added that exciter, the S's start to come out. They start sneaking through the mix. So we throw on a de-esser. Here's the frequency I set it on. I got it at about 7,900 hertz. Here's the threshold. Y'all can change this if it's taking out too much or if it's not taking out enough. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know how it go, man. So that's what I got on the de-esser. After all of those steps, it's about time for some compression. So we added a BL1176. We got a fast attack, a medium release. We got a ratio at 4:1. This really just makes the vocals more consistent and brings a lot of volume. So y'all copy these settings down. Next up, we got another compressor, the TechLab BA2A. This compressor keeps the vocals consistent. It really squashes down on those really high parts and brings them down, so all the vocals are pretty consistent. Here are the settings I got. If it's too much compression for you, just bring the squeeze down. And if it's not enough, bring the squeeze higher. Simple as that, y'all. So copy this down. After all of these plugins, the vocals really sound nice and consistent and clean, but they sound dry. So it's time for some reverb. And as always, we went with the studio reverb. Here are the settings I got. If it's too much for you, you know what to do. Turn it down. If it ain't enough, turn it up. But the reverb really helps the vocals to blend in with that beat a whole lot better and make it sound more natural and like it's in the beat. So y'all copy these settings down. The last plugin we added on this vocal chain was the ping pong delay, just to fill the vocal out some, give it some excitement. Here are the settings I got. If y'all want more delay, you could just turn the mix amount up some, but I like a subtle amount, just enough. You don't want to hear it too much. That pretty much wraps today's video up. If y'all like the video, make sure to press that like button, subscribe, and comment. New content soon. As always, man, I'm out.
I keep it real, my people. You drill check me, I be flying the eagle. Young nigga evil, just like that boy Knievel. Told on your case, you a rat, you a weasel. 93 all in my blood, that's diesel. I need some more ink, where's the needle? Pull up skirt, he hot out a beetle. I'm a big dog, but I'm graceful like Cheetah. I keep it real, my people. You drill check me, I be flying the eagle. Young nigga evil, just like that boy Knievel. Told on your case, you a rat, you a weasel. 93 all in my blood, that's diesel. I need some more ink, where's the needle? Pull up skirt, he hot out a beetle. I'm a big dog, but I'm graceful like Cheetah. I fuck your bitches and run new Adidas. Make all the vodka, D.O.B. eaters. That bitch love playing with balls. Then ain't a whole day Vegeta. Charge up on a nigga like my name Vegeta. Pull up with a eater, got bad like Peter. I fuck the holder for that that I meet her, for that that I see her, for that that I greet her. I get that bread by the loaf. Infinite turn you to toast. I take that drip, coast to coast. I got fans, coast to coast. Wait. I got my water on the lake. Fuck on your hoe, but don't go on no date. Slime me a nigga, my arm got a stay. Hey, I had to catch me a play. Asking for the bitch, she 23. Michael Jane, don't give a fuck what you say. Bending the rules, you know I don't like to obey. Ballin' on niggas who game. No Kobe Bryant, I make a nigga fade away. Shoot on range like Clay. Over the bitch, just Clay. Hey. My people, you drill check me, I be flying the eagle. Young nigga evil, just like that boy Knievel. Told on your case, you a rat, you a weasel. 93 all in my blood, that's diesel. I need some more ink, where's the needle? Pull up skirt, he hot out a beetle. I'm a big dog, but I'm graceful like Cheetah. Young nigga smoking on headband, sweat like I got on headband. I put that top to your head, man. Disrespect, you a dead man. Put you to sleep like a dead man. I see you pussy, all in the CAT scan. I'm interested in racks, man. Eat shit up like I'm Batman. You could get beat with a Batman. You need to stop all that cap, man. I got the Glock on my lap, man. Like a bitch, call me Batman. Chopper gon' make the boy tap dance. Bitch, little hoe give me lap dance. I ain't need gon' cap, man. I do tell these nigga that I keep it real, my people. You drill check me, I be flying the eagle. Young nigga evil, just like that boy Knievel. Told on your case, you a rat, you a weasel. 93 all in my blood, that's diesel. I need some more ink, where's the needle? Pull up skirt, he hot out a beetle. I'm a big dog, but I'm graceful like Cheetah. Bitch, yeah, big dog. Nick cross off like crip. Why did these niggas cross over like crip?